Watch this, Waylon. Watch. See how it's in rear-wheel drive right now? Watch.
Yeah.
Look at it burn the front ones off. Really? Online it is.
Ah, dang it. This one has better brakes than all my other cars. Sorry.
All right.
Well, you want to go to that? You want to go to that volcano?
The smoke? Yeah.
No.
Are we just going for it, or okay? We're just going for it. No realism.
Let's do it in first person.
Oh, well, that's how I play.
Yeah, I'm not doing that no more. No, I am. Oh, look, explore.
Sorry about that, y'all. I'm not gonna put you through that.
Yeah, me
A lot
either.
of bouncing and beaving in there. Oh, look, there is a road. We just chose not to take it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm coming. Oh my gosh, I almost jumped the whole road. So I don't know where it is, so I just took this road for a couple
What's up
seconds.
here?
Not yet. I've lost the fog because the smoke. The smoke is the clouds.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you
just
fall in it, you disappear.
yeah, and it spawns you back farther.
Yeah, so we made it up there. All right.
Yeah, that was easier than I thought.
Let's
what
go
is
directly.
even down there?
Well, my guess, because it's an active volcano, lava.
And well, I wish it showed you. I wish that fog wasn't there.
It's smoke.
Smoke.
Oh, I guess we're going that way.
Oh, make your own
Okay.
roads.
Hey, see this straightaway over here? That goes up
where?
this hill?
Oh, where you're at? Oh, yeah. Hold
Yeah,
on, let me
right
just
here.
go back. Yeah, let me just come back up. Stop moving. I'm coming up.
Well, I just want to, I'm going down this way. We're going to start at this bend right here. And I want to race you.
Okay.
All right, you say when.
3, 2, oh. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think that's cheating. We're going all the way to the fork in the road up here. Not the first one, the second one. I'm over there, bud. Jesus.
I'm sorry. This one. Hey, not this one?
No, not this one, the one up here.
Okay.
Are you using nitrous?
No, but now I am.
You already were. Oh, oh
I
look, I'm
can't see
gonna win.
anything.
Right here.
Oh, right up the mountain. I
Nice.
like that. And I can't see
I'm
anything.
sure that you would spend the rest of your life in prison if you did this in Hawaii.
Yeah, probably. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna come back up. Oh, you wanna go mudding? In monster trucks?
No, I
That'd
don't
be the
want.
best part.
I don't like playing with the monster truck.
Now what do you wanna do?
Let me go over here and look. Oh, not that. Almost. Oh, well, I did fall off. Well, I'm down there.
What's down there?
A hole. Oh, there's a dirt road. Look at all these roads. This is how it looks, though. Like, I don't know if any of y'all have ever been, but it is mountains And a lot of vegetation.
Don't wait for me. I'm coming.
I'm trying to find something that this would be fun to play in. Do our four-wheelers? Nah.
Oh, okay.
You think? Do my old Caprice.
We could do razors or dirt bikes or something.
No, let's go
I have
drive
my
on the main
four-wheeler.
roads. Oh, did you? Okay, I'll get mine.
Yeah, I brought my four-wheeler out.
Alright, where's mine? Where's that thing at? Oh, I forgot I have those dirt bikes.
There's something wrong with yours.
Why?
It's limping. It's like
what?
It's like it's trying to start. Oh yeah, I forgot you can wheelie on these
Yeah,
things.
mine's up on the back rack, man. I'm cruising.
Try your nitrous doing this. You go so fast.
Alright, let's get out of this. We need to get on a road. The trees and stuff are no good.
That's a road you're on?
No. I'm in 6th gear doing a wheelie on the bike rack, or on the 6-pack rack. Here, this road right here will work.
Oh no. I mean, I found some red dirt down here.
Did you? Alright, let's go do that.
Yeah. There's little cactus trees. Well, trying to be cactus trees.
Trying to be cactus trees.
I'm doing a burnout while going. You see this?
Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
Very hard to control though.
Here, I'm gonna call out my dirt bike.
Oh, you got...
Yeah, you don't?
Yeah, I got a dirt bike.
Which one? Do I want to do a moto, like my KTM Nighthawk, or the KX? I'll do the KX.
This thing only goes 103, by the way.
Well, it's a dirt bike. It shouldn't even do that. Mine only
What?
goes 100. Your dirt bike does 130?
103.
Oh. Yep. All right, let's
Where'd
go
you
do
get that
that.
thing from?
Oh.
Oh, you both did it.
Yeah, I forgot how to write it.
No.
I'm going
Nitrous.
straight up the side of that.
No, I was gonna do it all in my back tire.
Not me. I'll fall off.
Do it on my back tire.
Well, I am, but it's not my choice.
Oh, I died.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ooh, boy, we're in some rocks up here.
Oh no, that's... Ooh, hold on.
Look at it fishtailing. There's a thing up here
Oh.
somewhere.
Yeah, I'm trying to find that. Come on, go, 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 go. Nitrous.
What's this
Oh, we're
way?
going straight up to the volcano.
Yeah.
I picked the part.
All right. So it's I'm like right beside it.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I think I know where it is. Right here.
Yeah.
Well, I can't open it. Oh, no, I can.
Do we want to open it on our dirt bikes? Does it matter? Treasure cannot
Let's
be
get
opened because the
15,000.
mailbox is full. How do I empty my mailbox?
I don't know.
Matt, let's see. Well, that's ridiculous. I wonder how you do that. Nope.
Yeah,
not
mine can
that.
do 106.
Activities. Oh, not that. Wrong button. Alright, well that sucks.
Yeah, get
Alright, well
all
thank y'all for watching. We're gonna go and get into a some kind of challenge race or something, see if we can't win a free car.